In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to convert an MKV file to MP4 using VLC Media Player. This process is simple and efficient, and it only takes a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once you have it open, go to the top menu and click on Media. From the drop-down menu, select the option that says Convert/Save. This will open a new window. In the File Selection section of this window, you'll see a button labeled Add. Click on it, and a File Explorer window will appear. Now, locate the MKV file that you want to convert, select it, and click Open. The file should now appear in the list under the File Selection section. Next, click on the Convert/Save button at the bottom of the window. This will bring up another window where you'll set the conversion options. Here, under the Profile section, you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, choose the option that says Video-H.264 plus MP3 MP4. This setting ensures that your video is converted to the MP4 format with the appropriate video and audio codecs. After selecting the profile, click on the Browse button next to the Destination File field. A new window will pop up, allowing you to choose where you want to save the converted MP4 file. Select your desired location and don't forget to give the file a name that's easy to recognize. Once you've done that, click Save. Finally, with everything set up, click on the Start button at the bottom of the window. VLC Media Player will begin converting your MKV file to MP4. You can monitor the progress in the playback bar at the bottom of the VLC window. And that's it. Once the conversion is complete, your new MP4 file will be saved in the location you selected earlier. You've successfully converted your MKV file to MP4 using VLC Media Player.